Is your furry friend not drinking enough clean water? Staying hydrated is crucial for your pet's health, but dirty water bowls can be a problem. Meet the Veken 95-ounce pet fountain, fresh, filtered water 24/7 to keep your pet hydrated and healthy. With a 2.8 L capacity, this fountain ensures fresh water all day, and the ultra-quiet pump means no more noisy disruptions. Want to keep your pet healthy and happy? Click the link below to grab your Veken pet fountain now and get a special discount. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more awesome pet care tips.